For today's haul, I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 bags to share with you guys. So I think I inserted the clips where you kind of saw me grab a basket. They're very quick, but the challenge to myself when I walked into Dollar Tree on this particular day was that I wanted to just have the basket and then fill it up with, I guess, as much as I could of what I liked that I found in the store that day. It was really busy, so I didn't want to grab a cart and do my usual overly massive haul because I didn't want to create a line, and that gives me like, it's a whole thing. So also, can someone comment and tell me if you guys have like self-checkout at Dollar Tree? I know I've seen you guys talk about it before. I have yet to see self-checkout here in Florida where I was living and in Dallas. So I don't know, comment, let me know. But I'm gonna show you guys what fit into my basket. I mean, this is actually quite a lot that fit in there. So let's just go ahead and jump in. Getting out my receipt, I spent $56.25. That's the subtotal before tax. So you divide that by $1.25 and that's gonna give me however many items that I got. Yeah, because everything was $1.25, no bonus items. And let's start off with all the candy that I got. I recently bought this the other day, but it wasn't in a haul. These Red Bird peppermints, and they're the kind of peppermints that are like butter, and they're not hard, they're the best mints. So now I'm officially addicted to them, so I have to get them again. Because it's fall, I had to get the Werther's Original Caramel Apple Filled. There's just something lately that I've really liked about keeping candy in my purse. It reminds me of my grandma, so now like I'm a grandma. I got 2 bags of the gummy bears that are my favorite. However, I've noticed my stores have not had like the Coca-Cola stuff, so I don't know, maybe it's coming back in stock soon. I don't know why I got these, but I've never gotten them before. I've gotten the original Swedish fish, but this is the Friends. So you've got dolphin, the original fish, and then the turtle. And the turtle's watermelon, the dolphin's strawberry, and then the original is the original. So I thought I'd try that. And then I also found it in the blue raspberry lemonade. What? I've got to try this. It's really early in the morning, but I gotta try this. So let's see. Blue raspberry lemonade. That was actually really good. All right, grabbing for the second bag, I found the new little mini Happy Planner dupes, like micro mini dupes. There's actually 4 to the collection, and these are all the ones that I found. You can see that the label is Jot. That's really cute. It has little bugs on it, flowers, and a little like marbled tie-dye effect. I'm just gonna open up one of the notebooks, but I think the paper, yeah, the paper is just like plain, but there's color to it, which is really cute. This one, just to show you guys the color in there, it's like a white pink. This one is an orange, super cute. And this one's like a bubblegum pink. So I love when Dollar Tree puts out their planner stuff. All right, then I picked up all of these little treat bags for Halloween. They're probably one of my favorite things, are like the little treat bags. Who remembers the year that like this is how I gave out candy? This was like 3 houses ago. And I just filled it up with candy, and then each little kid got a little baggie of candy. I thought there was another one. Oh yeah, here, no. I don't know, maybe it's in the other bag, so I'll just hold on to that. I also got these fabric gift bags with tags or ties. These are so good. You get 4 bags in here, not bad. These are absolutely adorable. So I got those. These were out last year, but I decided to get them again for junk journaling. These cute little sunflowers. They have these little like ties. So these will be great for a lot of DIYs. Then I found this little patch set. Look how cute this is. The little gumball and the lollipop. I'm keeping this in my stash for junk journaling. Then I found this, which the first thing I did when I saw this was I looked around to see if it was like in the wrong section. I thought it was a bonus item, but this rang up $1.25, and it is just an expandable document case. That's what they're calling it. So looks like it comes out quite far. Like, that is absolutely amazing. Now I'm like, why did I just get the one? But that is really awesome. Here's what it'll look like when you fill it. So that's definitely new. And then Dollar Tree put out their Halloween coloring book. You got to look out for these. They do this for holidays. It just kind of like depends on the store and who's organizing it and who's putting stuff where. Sometimes you'll find it in the coloring book section or with Halloween. This needs to be with Halloween in my opinion, but you never know. Look everywhere. And it is really cute. So lots of fun little things to color. I'm a sucker for a coloring book, so I got that. Okay, in this third bag, I found these really adorable plaid pumpkins. I'll insert a clip here of all the other pumpkins. I just wanted this one. This one definitely goes with my fall decor, and it is just absolutely adorable for $1.25. And let me tell you, even their bonus section pumpkins, which I almost got some, they were like $3. Even those were amazing. I speak from experience of buying pumpkins at Hobby Lobby, and Hobby Lobby, in my opinion, has really great prices. And even with the sale, the 40% off or the 50% off, pumpkins are expensive. So these are awesome to get at Dollar Tree. Then I picked up these pom-poms. I've never seen them like packaged in solid colors. They're usually like a mix. So I got the blue, orange, which is gonna be great for Halloween, white, black for Halloween, and yellow. I mean, all of these colors actually. Like, okay, now that I think about it, this little color palette would be crazy for a Halloween junk journal. I gotta do it now. I gotta do it. I just need my pods. I need my pods with all my stuff in it. Okay, I didn't realize that I grabbed another one of these, but it was in a previous haul. These little like this razor kit with the refills. You guys already know I love this. 10 out of 10. Then I found this because let me tell you, run to Dollar Tree. This is brand new this year. I do not remember them doing this last year unless my Florida stores just didn't have them. But this acorn pick and the quality of the fabric, I was shook. I almost didn't even see them. But like just absolutely stunning. The store, I don't even know what to say. Okay, next up are the cutest little tumblers, juice boxes, whatever, with a Game Boy look to it. This is in the party section. You always gotta be on the lookout for these as well. They'll just randomly throw cute new little things like this. This, I just can't believe it. It reminds me of Micah's Game Boy when she had a little case and then you could put all your little like game chips in it or whatever. That's somewhere in a pod. So there's that. All right, and in the last bag, I found a new cleaning product. This is a heavy foam shower cleaner. Don't know, just looked great. Thought I needed it. Never seen that before. I also got my shaving cream. This is my favorite. It is the coconut. Yeah, I don't even remember the last time I bought shaving cream from anywhere else other than Dollar Tree. Then I picked up this little bag right here. I just wanted to put like some of my things to transport to the new house, like my bathroom things, without having to like pack it into a box. You know what I mean? So I don't want to do any heavy packing here, but I thought that this would be a really great way to transport like my bathroom items, like my loofah and, you know, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, all that stuff. I also wanted to stock up on hair ties, so I got these. These are some of my favorites. Don't know where my originals went. And then I got this hair tie, a thinner one since I have really fine hair, the thicker one. So I got all of those. I've actually been looking for the little elastic, like those little elastic ones, because you guys know I like to do my hair in a like Brave, but I can't find those lately. Then I picked up these socks. I've been on the lookout for these a lot more lately because I'm in love with them now, and now I need a couple more. And I only found this one. I wanted the all white set, but this one has a gray. So there's that. So that's a refill. I also picked up 100 Grand. One of like my favorite chocolates. I love Snickers and Kit Kats and 100 Grand, so I got that. And the very last thing that fit into this basket, I mean, if you think about it, that's a lot. I found these soaps. I'm so excited for them. It's Natural Scents, plant-based. It is a pure Castile, sorry if I'm not saying that right. This is lavender. So olive oil, coconut oil, shea butter, sulfate-free, paraben-free, dye-free, cruelty-free. That's really great. So we've got lavender, activated charcoal, we've got peppermint, and I believe this one's almond. And the packaging is so pretty on these. Like, look at that. Absolutely stunning. So that was my challenge. That is what actually fit into a basket at Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.